Reading simple sentences. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to read simple sentences. Be sure to read along. Ben. Ben can. Ben can hop. Ben can hop and Ben can hop and jog. Ben can hop and jog. Ben can hop and jog. Now you try. The fat cat. The fat cat is. The fat cat is on. The fat cat is on the. The fat cat is on the mat. The fat cat is on the mat. The fat cat is on the mat. Now you try. The red fox. The red fox is. The red fox is in. The red fox is in the. The red fox is in the box. The red fox is in the box. The red fox is in the box. Now you try. I can. I can see a. I can see a cat. I can see a cat and. I can see a cat and a. I can see a cat and a rat. I can see a cat and a rat. I can see a cat and a rat. Now you try. A big dog. A big dog ran. A big dog ran down. A big dog ran down the. A big dog ran down the hill. A big dog ran down the hill. A big dog ran down the hill. Now can you try? Tim. Tim has a. Tim has a big. Tim has a big red. Tim has a big red toy. Tim has a big red toy car. Tim has a big red toy car. Tim has a big red toy car. Now you try.